Okay, so I asked ChatGPT that what would you like. I asked ChatGPT these 20 questions, and it gave me 20 a list of 20 questions, which are like, uh, I like I gave I gave it prompt to ChatGPT that how would I understand how would you understand a human deeply by asking give me top 20 questions which you would ask to understand a human deeply. So ChatGPT gave me 20 questions related to self identity, related to identity and self-awareness, values and beliefs, ambitions and fears, plan, pattern, pain, patent and truth, the purpose and direction. So these are the categories that has been given to me by ChatGPT. And the first question that I'm answering, like as a practice, so when you are completely alone, who are you without performing for anyone? Okay, so when I'm alone, I generally don't think too much on a lot of things. I just kept myself into a room, and inside the room, I don't do too much thing. I just sit quiet and understand my thoughts. Sometimes I understand my thoughts, and if I get bored or sometimes something like that, I generally open my laptop and start researching. I just watch videos on YouTube to understand about my domain knowledge, understand about my technical aspect, understanding about AI and things which makes me like productive or something like that. Some tricks and tips. I generally do all those things when I'm alone, and if time permits and if I have some time, I generally go outside and just roam around. But when I'm alone, I just work on myself. I don't do anything else. Just watching YouTube videos, which are TED talks, which are related to like podcasts, which like Andrew Huberman, uh, and neuroscience kind of podcasts. I generally watch along with that for the fun and activity thing. I generally watch few of the like videos which makes me happy. And also, what are the technologies which are emerging in terms of AI, in terms of machine learning, in terms of uh, chip making. Sometime I watch geopolitics and current affairs videos if I found some time. All those things I do on my day to day basis. And apart from that, if I'm alone, I just uh, I just understand or journal or write down my thoughts that like understand the pattern of my thoughts that like 1 month before what I wrote on the paper, what I wrote in the diary that I maintain on everyday basis. What is my thought process now after how much I got evolved? So all those things which makes me better every single day, or I can say that productivity, the improvement, the content ideas that I generally try to like find. Also, one more thing, I love teaching. I love understanding things. I love learning new things. So I generally go on YouTube and start like recently I got this crazy like thing that I found. Okay, this is the thing that I wanted to do this, and like I'm a data analyst, so I started making videos on YouTube as well. So I will be sharing all my learning experience or journey, what I learned in last 5 6 years. So I'm sharing their journey on YouTube basically. And also I'm creating this particular video. I will be creating, and I will upload it on uh, YouTube. That I wanted to see that I wanted to track and see the progress, that how I evolved as a person on first day and how I am as a speaker, as a communication wise, how much I have improved in last 30 days, 90 days, or 180 days. So that thing I wanted to improve in terms of speech clarity, in terms of communication, in terms of thought clarity, in terms of uh, my vocabulary, in terms of my storytelling, in terms of my like everything related to communication, storytelling, thought process, mental uh, awareness, thought awareness, all those things I will be working on for now, like next 180 days I will be working on all those things. Along with that, I'm upskilling myself in terms of technologies, in terms of AI. So these are the things that I will be making, and I will also learn about the communication thing, because uh, in current world or in today's world, if you wanted to grow very fast, you must be having good communication skills. Good communication skill doesn't mean that you speak English fluently. Good communication skills, I think, how effectively you are articulating your thoughts, how effectively you are communicating or telling a story that everybody can relate, everybody can feel it, and you can, like, you can attract those people, you can, like, persuade those people to listen to you or grab the attention that okay, this guy is telling very important and talking about very important and serious topic. So that will help you to understand that how much we have, how much we have grown, how much we don't know about things. So all those things I am like working on, and I'm just talking randomly. I don't have any script right now. I'm just talking unstructured. So, like, this is the challenge that has been given to me by ChatGPT. So, I wanted to talk about all those things. And in coming videos, I will be talking more about uh, other things, which 20 questions I will be putting as my like challenge. I can say that challenge. And along with that, I will try to make it 20. Once I reach 20, I'll make it 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I'll be doing those things as well. So that will help me to like communicate better, communicate like things effectively. I'll be practicing some of the speech, tongue twisters, and also along with that method, situation, star method, situation, task, action, result. So all those are the parts of communication skills. And I'll be working on my speech clarity, improving communication, improving myself. And with all that talks that I did, I would say just start recording yourself, just post it on YouTube, Instagram, whatever platform you prefer. I am posting. I'm 30-year-old. I don't care about what people will think about me, that he's a 30-year-old guy, they don't know how to communicate. I know things will happen, but it will take time. I never realized that okay, this is the important thing that I should focus earlier. But now I realize okay, there is no late, there is no, like, everybody is their own journey. So I don't feel that like having the I'm 30-year-old and I'm working on communication skills. I don't have any problem. I wanted to grow myself. People will see the progress, or the people who sees the progress will recognize me on the basis of my efforts, on the basis of my thought process, clarity, and everything. So I'm not ashamed of doing everything in public, failing in public. That's my story. I will be writing it today, tomorrow, and forever. So I won't be having any regret of sharing failure, sharing problems, sharing challenges on particular journey. So there are a lot of people who are also struggling, who are also like working hard to make themselves present in front of camera. There are a lot of people who are shy. If I can do it, you can also do it. So don't worry about anything. Nobody will judge you. You just post, zero views, don't care about anything. Just improve yourself, tell your story in a better, clearer and proper way that will help you to achieve what you wanted to achieve in your life. Communication is the important part, honestly. So with all this, I would wrap up this. I'm just saying thank you so much for watching the video, and I will be sharing everything, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes practice every day. I'll be posting here only on YouTube. So this is my day one, and for next 30 days I'll be posting all 30 YouTube videos, or I can say all 30 videos on my YouTube channel. And that will be very helpful for everybody who wanted to be a part of this speaking challenge that I'll be taking, and I'm inspiring from win a better, a best public speaker currently in the market. So he's sharing a lot of tips and tricks, and I will be also sharing while we are growing, while we are learning. I will be also sharing few more things which are important in public speaking or in communication skill. So I'll be working studying all those things. Thank you so much and have a good day.